Ever dreamed of bakery-level mixing without draining your wallet? Today I'll reveal the top 7 best budget stand mixers that save time, power through dough, and spark joy. Welcome to my channel, stay till the end, choose smartly, and grab your favorite using links in the description below right now today. At number 7 is LIFECREEK Multifunctional Stand Mixer. Bold truth, most affordable mixers quit when dough gets serious, so does this one? If you're shopping for our top 7 value mixers, the LIFECREEK surprised me. Section 1, Problem. Small kitchens want power, silence, and space. LIFECREEK answers with a calm, confident motor and a roomy bowl. Curious yet? Section 2, Performance. Mixing feels steady, grinding meats is clean, juicing is fast. It stays planted, saves mess, and feels reassuring. Tested in everyday baking, it keeps its cool. But wait. Section 3, Pros and Cons. Pros: versatility, quiet strength, easy cleanup, tilt access. Cons: accessories take storage, juicer isn't gourmet level. Compared with others on this list, it trades premium polish for real value. Fair trade? My take: we recommend tools that earn trust. This one does. Ideal for families and new bakers wanting peace of mind. Power users chasing luxury? Maybe skip. Thoughts? Comment below. On number 6 is Kourice Electric Food Mixer. Wild fact: most mixers fail not from power, but noise, heat, and uneven mixing. So where does the Kourice land among our 7 wallet-friendly picks? Let's break it down. First, the problem. Buyers fear weak motors and loud kitchens. Kourice fixes that with a calm, cool running motor that feels confident even with dense dough. That silence alone brings relief. Curious how? Next, mixing experience. The bowl coverage is impressive. No chasing flour around the edges. Compared to others on this list, it feels more precise, less rushed. That's reassuring. Pros? Strong torque, quiet operation, large bowl, smooth control. Cons? Heavier body and accessories need gentle care. Fair trade. Our verdict: we only suggest mixers that earn long-term trust. This one feels like a smart, steady choice for home bakers who want peace of mind. At number 5 is KUCCU Flat Beater. Surprising truth: many mixers don't fail. Their beaters do. So where does the KUCCU Flat Beater fit in our 7 value-focused mixers? Let's dive in. First, the problem. Uneven mixing, heavy dough sticking, constant stopping. This flat beater fixes that with wide coverage and steady contact. Relief kicks in fast. Curious why? Next, real use. Batters come together smoother, faster, with less scraping. Compared to smaller attachments on this list, KUCCU feels more confident, especially with big family batches. That brings peace of mind. Pros? Large capacity support, dishwasher safe build, solid balance. Cons? Best paired with higher capacity bowls, compact kitchens may feel it. Our stance: we back accessories that genuinely improve daily baking, tested in real kitchens. If you bake often and hate interruptions, this is a smart upgrade. Occasional mixers? Maybe unnecessary. At number 4 is Kourice Dough Hook. Bold question: why do most home bakers quit bread making? Weak dough hooks. That's where the Kourice Dough Hook changes the story in our 7 value-driven mixer lineup. First, the struggle. Sticky dough, overheating motors, constant pauses. This hook feels solid and confident, built to take pressure without flexing. Instant relief. Want to know how it behaves? Next, in action. Dough pulls cleanly, stretches evenly, no bowl chasing. Compared to lighter hooks on other picks, this one works calmer and quieter. That stability builds trust. Pros? Strong metal build, smooth kneading, less strain on the mixer. Cons? Slightly heavier, so budget motors may feel it over time. Fair balance. Our expert take: we recommend accessories that prove themselves in daily kitchens, not specs alone. If bread and pizza are your thing, this is a smart upgrade. Occasional bakers? Optional. On number 3 is Vezzio stainless steel bowl. Surprising fact, most budget mixers fail because of bowls, not motors. So does the Vezzio stainless bowl hold up? Let's find out. First, the problem. Small, thin bowls wobble, spill, and stress the mixer. This one feels solid and spacious, instantly calming those worries. Relief starts here. Curious how it performs? Next, daily use. Big batches mix comfortably. No flex. No rattling. Compared with smaller bowls in this lineup, Vezzio gives more room to breathe, especially for dough-heavy recipes. That's confidence you feel. Pros? Large capacity, sturdy steel, easy cleanup, stable fit. Cons? Takes counter space and feels heavy when full. Fair trade for stability. Our honest take, we only stand behind gear that proves itself in real kitchens. If you bake for family or prep in bulk, this is a smart upgrade. Solo bakers? Might be more than you need. At number 2 is Cuisinart mixing paddle. Bold question, can one paddle actually fix uneven mixing? With the Cuisinart mixing paddle, the answer surprised me. First, the problem. Cheap paddles miss edges, overwork motors, and force constant scraping. This one feels balanced and controlled, easing that frustration instantly. Curious why it matters? Next, real performance. Batters turn smooth, not rushed. Creaming feels precise. Compared to lighter paddles across our 7 value-focused mixers, this one delivers better consistency with less strain. That's peace of mind mid-bake. Pros? Solid build, smooth rotation, dependable results. Cons? Designed for specific models, so compatibility matters. Still fair. Our honest take, we back accessories that earn trust in everyday kitchens, tested through real recipes. If baking is routine and texture matters, this is a smart upgrade. Now moving to the last one is POWWA whisk and beater. Surprising truth, most budget mixers are held back by weak attachments, not motors. So how do the POWWA whisk and beater stack up in our 7 value-driven picks? First, the problem. Flimsy beaters bend, whisks splash, and cleanup becomes a chore. POWWA fixes this with sturdy, well-balanced attachments that lock in smoothly. Instant relief. Curious how they feel in action? Next, performance. Whipping cream is fast and airy. Batters stay controlled. Compared to lighter accessories on other mixers in this lineup, these feel more confident and stable. That builds trust mid-recipe. Pros? Durable build, dishwasher-safe convenience, smooth results. Cons? Aluminum coating needs gentle handling long-term. Fair compromise. Our expert take, we only back tools that prove themselves in real kitchens, tested for everyday comfort. If you bake often and want peace of mind, this set makes sense. The winner, Kourice electric food mixer. Why buy it? Because it solves the biggest budget mixer fears: noise, weak kneading, and uneven mixing. It stays calm and quiet under pressure, handles dense dough confidently, and mixes thoroughly without constant scraping. Compared to others, it offers better control, stronger build quality, and more consistent results. If you want peace of mind, long sessions without overheating, and professional level performance at a sensible price, this is the smartest, safest choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best budget stand mixer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.